Hi, I'm Arit Anderson and I love container gardening, and the RHS have asked me to be their container gardener this year. And the reason why is because I love the idea that you can put out blooms anywhere in your garden, doesn't matter how big or small, and across the seasons you can have a variety of different blooms. So for Christmas, you might be thinking, what would I buy somebody at this time of year? And it starts with the plants. You could give somebody a camellia. Wonderful flowers at this time of year in reds and whites and pinks. A skimmia is a great plant at this time of year. Evergreen leaves with these fabulous red berries. They look the Christmas part. What are you going to put them in? Well, if you've got the space and the budget, why not one of these Witchford containers? Terracotta, frost-free, and actually they're quite light, so there's a range of those you could actually find for any space within the garden. Now, stocking fillers are obviously always something good to bolster up the gift ideas. Hand trowel and fork set, I think that'd always be a winner. Can never have too many of those. And not everybody wants to get their hands dirty, so a pair of gloves slipped in will be always well received, I'm sure. Unfortunately, I have very dodgy knees and I have to have kneeling pads, and I often lose them and they get really dirty. So if I saw one of those wrapped up under the Christmas tree, I'd be really, really happy. And one thing that I think is almost an essential is a sustainable cup for that hot chocolate or tea when you're outside, especially in the cold months. And these sustainable bamboo cups are the perfect gift. So I'm sure that if you go out shopping and you know somebody that likes containers, you're going to find a wealth of ideas at the RHS shop.